Hindi naman nakadikit yung one ball sa long rail. But he looks to be sending this one ball to the netherworld.
Ano ang hinahabol niya dito? He will just take that 5 and 4.
May konting kita para kay Galve dito sa uno. Galve tries to execute a better safety, which is now the alignment of 4 planets.
Kung walang knowledge, walang power.
Nakita ko lang naman sa Facebook. Minsan fake news din yan eh.
Minsan fake
Oo.
news. Saan mo ba nabasa?
Depensa.
Parang sa nakikita ko, hindi masyadong offensively aggressive yung mga players natin tonight.
Thinkers with combinations but also thinkers with pace. Wow, that's nice from Garde.
Ganda nung tira na yon. Just really using that 2-ball. Perfect pace to bring that 2-ball right behind the blue 2.
Well, Galve is just gonna follow where it went to make contact with the 1, separating the 8 and the 9. Does he sell out the 1?
I think he will. The biggest lead that either team had was a 2-rack lead.
Talking about James Verano. Or will he settle for the combination? The Quezon City Dragons. Nabigyan sila ng pagkakataon. 1, 2, 3 rails perhaps. 1 rail lang. Check
Dinerecho
side.
lang. May momugation possibility yan kung mali ang contact mo.
Ito na naman tayo. Okay na. We're gonna have another tied game.
Grabe palitan dito ng panalo, Noel.
Kasabihan nga natin, ang kumurap, pangit.
Oo.
And James Verano puts it away.